Welcome back to our video course on the basics of personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of understanding credit and managing debt. Understanding credit. Credit refers to the ability to borrow money or access loans. Your credit score is a numerical value that represents your creditworthiness and is used by lenders to determine your eligibility for loans, credit cards, and other forms of credit. Factors that affect your credit score. Your credit score is determined by a number of factors, including payment history. Do you pay your bills on time? Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score. Credit utilization. How much of your available credit are you using? High credit utilization can have a negative impact on your credit score. Length of credit history. How long have you had credit? A longer credit history can have a positive impact on your credit score. Mix of credit. Do you have a mix of different types of credit, such as a mortgage, car loan, and credit card? A mix of credit can have a positive impact on your credit score. Managing debt. Managing debt is an important part of personal finance. It involves taking steps to pay off debt and avoid taking on new debt. Why is managing debt important? Managing debt is important because high levels of debt can have a negative impact on your credit score and can make it more difficult to get approved for loans and credit cards. Additionally, high levels of debt can be stressful and can make it more difficult to reach your financial goals. Tips for managing debt. 1. Make a plan. Create a plan to pay off your debt, and make sure you can stick to it. 2. Prioritize high interest debt. Focus on paying off debt with the highest interest rates first. 3. Be mindful of new debt. Be mindful of taking on new debt and avoid it as much as possible. 4. Use budgeting and saving strategies. Use budgeting and saving strategies to free up money to pay off debt. 5. Consider debt consolidation. Consider consolidating your debt to simplify the process of paying it off. Dealing with overwhelming debt. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, we may find ourselves with overwhelming debt. In these situations, it's important to seek help and consider different options to help you manage your debt. Credit counseling. Credit counseling is a service that can help you manage your debt. A credit counselor can review your financial situation, help you create a budget, and provide advice on how to manage your debt. They can also help you negotiate with creditors to lower your interest rates or monthly payments. Debt consolidation. Another option to consider is debt consolidation. This involves taking out a loan to pay off multiple debts, resulting in one monthly payment instead of many. A debt consolidation loan can help lower your interest rate and simplify the process of paying off your debt. Debt management plan. A debt management plan is a repayment plan that you and a credit counselor create. The counselor will negotiate with your creditors to lower your interest rates, and you will make one payment to the counseling agency, which will then distribute the money to your creditors. Debt settlement. Debt settlement is a process where you negotiate with your creditors to pay off a portion of your debt. Creditors may agree to a settlement if they believe that it's more likely that they will get some of their money back than if you file for bankruptcy. Bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is a legal process that can help you eliminate or reduce your debt. However, it will have a severe impact on your credit score and will have long-term consequences. It should be considered as a last resort after trying other options. If you find yourself with overwhelming debt, it's important to seek help and consider different options to help you manage it. Credit counseling, debt consolidation, debt management plan, debt settlement, and in the worst case, bankruptcy are all options that can help you regain control of your debt. Make sure to do your research, understand the pros and cons of each option, and talk to a professional before making any decision. Remember that managing debt is a process, and it may take time, but by seeking help, creating a plan, and sticking to it, you can regain control of your debt and work towards financial stability. Keep in mind that each person's financial situation is unique, so it's important to find the best strategy that suits your individual needs. And don't be afraid to reach out to professionals such as financial advisor or credit counselor. They can help you navigate through the process and make informed decisions.